My name is Emma. I am 25 years old. I live in a small house. I live with my cat. Her name is Coco. She's white. She is small and cute. I have a big kitchen. The kitchen has a stove, a fridge, and many shelves. There are pots and pans. There are also many spoons and forks. I keep my food in the fridge. I keep my plates in the cupboard. I love cooking. Cooking is my favorite thing to do. I cook every day. I cook in the morning. I cook in the evening. Sometimes I cook at lunchtime. Cooking makes me happy. I feel good when I cook. When I was a little girl, I watched my mother cook. She cooked soup. She cooked rice. She made cakes too. I helped her. I gave her the spoon. I gave her the bowl. I looked at her. I learned from her. Now I cook by myself. I cook rice, eggs, soup, and noodles. I make sandwiches. I make salad. There is a small table in my kitchen. I sit at the table. I eat my food there. I drink tea after I eat. I clean the table. I wash the dishes. Where do I buy my food? I go to the market near my house. There are many things at the market. There are vegetables. There is fish. There is chicken. There is fruit. I buy what I need. I can cook many things with simple food. What do I need to cook? I need a pan. I need a spoon. I need salt and oil. Do I cook every day? Yes, I do. I do not eat at restaurants. I like homemade food. I think homemade food is better. It is clean. It is fresh. I can choose what I like. I can cook what I want. Sometimes I cook for my friends. Sometimes I cook for my neighbors. They eat my food. They say it is tasty. That makes me smile. Cooking is more than food. Cooking is love. Cooking is art. Cooking is care. I will always love cooking. I will learn more. I will cook more. Let's cook together. Let's eat together. Let's be happy together. Today is Sunday. I wake up early. The sun is shining. Birds sing in the trees. I feel happy. I open the window. The air is fresh. I smile. I wash my face. I brush my teeth. I eat a small breakfast. I drink a glass of water. Then I take my basket and go to the market. The market is near my house. There are many people there. Some people sell vegetables. Some people sell meat. Some people sell fruit. I say hello to the sellers. They smile at me. I buy tomatoes. I buy carrots. I buy onions. I buy garlic and ginger. I also buy some rice and oil. There's a lot of food. I carry my basket. It is heavy, but I can carry it. I go home. I put the food on the table. I wash the vegetables. I use clean water. I cut the tomatoes. I cut the carrots. I cut the onions. I put the rice in a pot. I add water. I boil the rice. I take a pan. I put oil in the pan. I fry the vegetables. I add salt and pepper. I mix everything. I taste the food. It tastes good. There is a nice smell in the kitchen. The smell comes from the pan. The rice is soft. The vegetables are hot. I take a plate. I put the food on the plate. I sit down at the table. I eat slowly. I feel proud. I cooked this meal. I did it with my hands. After eating, I clean the table. I wash the dishes. I dry them. I put them back on the shelf. The kitchen is clean again. Cooking takes time. Cooking takes care. But cooking is fun. I feel good today. I had a nice day in the kitchen. I will cook again tomorrow. My friend Tom comes to visit me. He rings the bell. I open the door. I say hello. He says hello too. He brings me a small cake. It is a gift. I thank him. I ask him to come in. We walk to the kitchen. He looks around. He says the kitchen is nice. I tell him I just cooked some food. He says he is hungry. I smile. I say let's eat. I take 2 plates. I put food on the plates. I give one to Tom. I take one for myself. We sit at the table. We start eating. Tom eats slowly. He looks happy. He says the food is very good. He says the rice is soft. He says the vegetables have good taste. We talk while we eat. We talk about food. We talk about cooking. I ask Tom what food he likes. He says he likes soup. He likes chicken soup and vegetable soup. I say I can cook soup next time. He says that is a good idea. After eating, I take the plates. I wash them. Tom helps me dry the dishes. He puts the dishes on the shelf. I make tea. I bring 2 cups. We drink tea. We sit and relax. The cat Coco walks into the kitchen. Tom sees Coco. He says Coco is cute. I smile. We talk more. We laugh. We feel happy. I like to share my food. I like to eat with friends. It makes me warm. It makes me smile. Cooking is not only for eating. Cooking is for caring. Cooking is for love. I will cook for Tom again. Tomorrow I will cook again. I want to try something new. I want to cook chicken soup. I think chicken soup is warm and tasty. What do I need to cook chicken soup? I will make a list. I need chicken. I need potatoes. I need carrots. I need onions. I need salt and pepper. I will also add some herbs. Herbs give soup a good smell. I will go to the market in the morning. The market opens early. I will take my basket. I will walk to the market. I will say hello to the people there. I will look for fresh food. I will buy what I need. I will carry my basket home. Then I will cook. First, I will wash the vegetables. I will cut the carrots. I will peel the potatoes. I will cut the onions. Then I will wash the chicken. I will put water in a big pot. I will boil the water. I will add the chicken. After that, I will add the vegetables. I will add salt and pepper. I will let the soup cook for some time. While the soup is cooking, I will clean the kitchen. I will wash the table. I will dry the dishes. I want the kitchen to be clean. I will check the soup. If the chicken is soft, the soup is ready. I will taste the soup. I hope it will taste good. What will I do after cooking? I will eat the soup. I will invite Tom again. I want to share my soup. Maybe he can bring bread. We can eat together. We can talk again. We can smile again. Cooking tomorrow will be fun. I will learn something new. I will enjoy the work. I love cooking. I love sharing food. I want to cook every day. Cooking makes me happy. Cooking makes me calm. Let's cook again tomorrow.